Hey guys, Rob here. Today we got an unboxing for Marvel Legends Homecoming, the Vulture. Knifey box A. Let's open her up. Alright. Alright, whoops. Dropping it! Yeah, there's two pieces here, and there's a stand too, so. Alright, so guys, here is the Vulture. He comes with a stand here. And this is a Build-A-Figure part for his back, for the wings. He's pretty cool. He's not my number one favorite pick for the wave, but I don't know. He's probably like number 5 or 6. Definitely my favorite from this wave is Moon Knight. Yeah, yeah. He's got a pretty cool jacket. I like the way that looks. And one thing I do wish they would have done with him is another set of hands. You know, just imagine wings, guys. I'm gonna do a full review when I do the Build-A-Figure, but this is just an unboxing. I'm just gonna put that on the back, I guess. Come on. There we go. I'll just put his own piece on. That does look pretty sweet. The color on the back. Green and a little bit of blue. Some purple. Yeah. I am happy I got this guy, because I did want to do the Build-A-Figure, so. I'm going to do the Build-A-Figure for the Netflix series Wave. Daredevil Wave. Um, yeah. Or the Man Thing Build-A-Figure, yeah. And eventually I will get the Thor Ragnarok Wave, because I want to do the Build-A-Figure for the Hulk. Yeah. But I'm gonna start doing, not all of the Marvel Legends, but ones that I think are like really cool. Right now I'm looking for older ones from Marvel Legends from 2015 and 2014. It'll take me It'll take me a while to find them, but I will in the future. But yeah, this guy's pretty cool. He's got actually heel articulation, which is nice. the way it pivots and like up and down and like side to side. Yeah, he's double jointed legs, um, double jointed at the elbow. I don't know. I think they could have actually done another head mold, but they didn't. So it would have been nice if they had an extra head mold and a set of hands. That would have made it, you know, higher up on the list of closer to number one, I guess. All right, that's the Vulture, and I'll have him built in another video coming up. Like, leave a comment, guys. See ya. Bye.